Hello, John Bloodworth, Gentleman Crafter here. Just a quick one from me this week to show you how I put together this cute little bird reading a book with a background. Bit of a cheat. I purchased the book with the bird and then I've added the frame myself. But nonetheless, there are a few things that I did learn along the way. So let's make a start. Let me just quickly tell you that I got the Storytime bird from Embroidery Library. It was only £1.50 at the time because it was on sale, but you can obviously choose whatever format and size you would like to get this at if that's something you want to get. Okay, back to the program. Start a new document. In fact, I don't need to start a new document. Yes, I do. Go on, we will. What I will do from my design library where I downloaded this was click on it so that it shows the design highlighted. Then in Manage Designs, we're going to, no. If I was going to not start a new document, you could start a new design featuring this by clicking on New from Selected. What I'm going to do here is actually open the design. Then I'm going to select all with Control A, copy, and in my document, where I'm going to rotate the hoop 90 degrees, I will paste the design. I'm then going to rotate the design as well to match, and then I will resize it. Not much. In fact, because it's a grade B design, I can only really go up or down 10% without there being any problems. Thankfully, there are handy little buttons here, so we're going to reduce that by 10%. I'm going to shift him off to the side just a little bit. No, I'm not. Not doing well today already. I am going to group those though and lock them. Next up, I'm going to grab the rectangle tool from the digitize toolbox, set it to be an outline with a triple run, and then I'll just randomly click in two places to get a rectangle, but then I'm going to turn the aspect ratio lock off and type in my own measurements. I'll duplicate that one and then just again change those measurements. Okay, so I can unlock that bird thing now, select everything, and oh, it deselected those. Select, oh, come on. Now, why are you being a pain in the bum? Okay, align centers. So that's got our frame where we need it, but I'm going to send that to the back. Now to create the fancy scroll work, I basically created a little design myself called swirls, and I'm going to bring that in. I'm going to turn the aspect ratio lock back on and just change that to just 1/2 inch tall. We'll then bring it down to there and lock it in place. Next up, we are going to digitize open shape. We'll go for a single run this time and we'll start at this end. I'll choose a different color this time so it doesn't automatically join with any others. I'm going to start with a left click, which is a straight point, and then work my way around with right clicks, which are, as you probably know by now, curved points. Backspace if you place something somewhere you don't like, and then confirm that one. And then I'll carry on all the way through these spirals. in very much the same way. Okay, I'm not going to worry about the extra bits and pieces. What I am going to do though is select all of that, zoom out a bit, and then in the create layouts, mirror and copy it horizontally. Then I will select all of that, zoom out a bit more, mirror and copy vertically. Then I will get one, duplicate it with Control D, rotate it 90 degrees, move it so that it sits in the center of our bird design. Oops. Why? Doesn't seem to like me today. It seems to be deselecting things. So we can soon solve that by grouping it. And then of course we can use the mirror and copy to get the other version over the other side. Right. Now I'm done with the artwork, so I can delete that. These frames I wanted to be in the same colour as the swirls, because I want those things to be together. So what I am going to also do here is, in the edit toolbox, use the branching tool to do that so that it won't go all over the place with jump stitches. Move that to the top of the stack so it's stitches first. And then, my lovers, I think we are pretty much ready to stitch that out. It looks very similar. What I did with the one that I showed you at the start of this video really was just recolor the 3 layers of the bird and the book. The book bird, the storytime bird. Anyway, I'm starting to talk nonsense, so what I will do is close all these other ones down. I will take this design, I will stitch it out, and I will join you back here where I'll show you the result. And here is the finished stitched out design, which I think you'll agree is pretty lovely. Anyway, that's it for this week. Thank you for watching as ever, and please do remember to give this video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel for more from me. Thanks for watching.